Most travelers get mobile connectivity in Egypt wrong by assuming a single SIM or eSIM will cover the entire country. I tested all major eSIM options for Egypt, and here's what you need to know before you go. There are three main options: local Egyptian carriers like Vodafone Egypt and Orange Egypt, regional travel eSIMs, and global travel eSIMs such as Airlo or Nomad. Each has its pros and cons. Local Egyptian eSIMs provide the fastest speeds and the most reliable coverage. Vodafone Egypt and Orange Egypt cover major cities like Cairo, Alexandria, and Luxor very well, and surprisingly, they even work in some rural areas along the Nile. Most people get this wrong by relying on global eSIMs that slow down drastically outside major cities. Global travel eSIMs like Airlo or Nomad, are convenient because you can activate them before leaving home. I tested both for 10 days in Egypt. Airlo worked fine in Cairo and Giza, but signal dropped in Luxor and Aswan. Nomad's Egypt package was slightly more expensive, but offered better coverage across the country's major tourist spots. The surprising truth is that no global eSIM completely matches a local carrier in Egypt, especially if you plan to travel beyond the main cities. Regional travel eSIMs are also an option if you are visiting multiple countries in North Africa or the Middle East. They provide decent city coverage, but tend to throttle speeds quickly if you use data heavily. For example, streaming videos over a regional eSIM can be frustratingly slow in Cairo. Price is another factor. Local Egyptian eSIMs require either a local ID or passport verification, but their per GB cost is usually lower than global eSIMs. Most people get this wrong by thinking convenience is free. Global eSIMs are easier to activate, but they often cost more per GB. In conclusion, the best eSIM for Egypt depends on your travel plans. If you are staying in major cities, a global eSIM like Nomad is convenient. If you plan to explore rural areas or travel along the Nile, a local carrier eSIM is worth the extra effort. Most travelers get mobile coverage wrong by underestimating rural network needs, but the right eSIM ensures you stay connected everywhere. Subscribe for more travel tips so your next Egypt trip goes smoothly without any connectivity headaches.